Alright guys, we are going to finish constructions today, which are going to be angle constructions. So this was in that video from yesterday as well. Not the video itself, but it was in the materials at the bottom of the video. We're going to talk about copying angles and bisecting angles. Pieces we talked about before are congruency, meaning they are the same length or measure, and or that they are the same, close to the same, they are the same. Then we have bisecting, which means it's cut in half. So we're going to work on those. I want you, just like yesterday, to take a second, read through this, try to go ahead and copy number 5 on your own. So pause the video, whatever you need to do. If you need to write these, you need to pause it, write the stuff down. So go ahead and try this one. Okay. Step 1 says draw a segment. So draw a segment. I'm just going to draw one down here below number 5. Let's scoot it up here. Draw a segment. Zoom out a little bit. Label point D on the segment. D. Okay. Draw arcs. Draw an arc with a center of A. Okay. Using the same radius, draw an arc with center D. So just move it down. There we go. Step 3, draw arcs. Label B, C, and E. Okay, B, C, E. Draw an arc with radius BC. Okay, let's measure B to C. Pick that up. Go to E. Label that intersection when we make it F. F. Step 4. Draw ray DF. There we go. Now these two angles are congruent. That's what this means. EDF is congruent to BAC. Notice they have the angle mark to let you know it's an angle. The vertices, vertex is in the middle. That's something you need to know. Okay, try number 6 as well. Copy that one on your own. Okay, make an arc at A. Oh, that wasn't the first step. I was supposed to draw a segment first. Well, since I'm already drawing an arc, we won't move the compass. We'll just lay it down. Let's draw an arc first. So I did not. It does not have to be the same orientation. It can be anywhere. Okay. Now you do the same thing. This is D. Down here. Looks like it's an obtuse angle, so I probably need to go out a little bit. Okay. Okay. Label C, B, E. Great. Now I need to measure from B to C with my compass. Pick it up. Make an arc. I barely got it enough. If you didn't get it enough, you need to go back, shrink it a little bit, and draw the arc out longer. Because see, I almost didn't make it. If you don't, you'll have to make it longer. Alright, then take your straight edge and connect what they say we should have labeled F to D. It's definitely obtuse angle here. And that is how you copy an angle. They are congruent angles. Okay. Now, bisect an angle, meaning we're going to cut it in half. Again, take a minute, read the steps. You try to bisect 7 and 8, okay? So pause the video, you try to bisect 7 and 8. I'll do it on here like in a few seconds, so make sure that you pause to try it on your own. Alright, step 1 says place the compass at A. Draw an arc that intersects both sides of the angle. Okay, so I need to draw an arc so it intersects here and here. And label them B and C. Okay, step 1. Place the compass at C. Draw an arc. Then place the compass at B. Notice it hasn't told me to move it, so don't change the width. Using the same radius. Sometimes it's easier to move your paper. Okay, there we go. Step 3. Label the intersection G. Why G? Use a straight edge to draw a ray through AG. AG, that ray, bisects A. AG is my bisector. So that means CAG is congruent to GAB. By the way, that's why you normally don't get to name an angle with just one letter, because A, right here, if you said angle A, I wouldn't have any idea what you're talking about, because there's 1, 2, and then 3 whole angles right there, so be careful how you name things. Try number 8 on your own. I'm going to start it in a second. Okay, step 1, draw an arc. Like I said, sometimes it's easier to move paper. There you go. Then I have B and C. No, it doesn't matter which way I ordered those. Okay, then I'm going to make an arc at B, arc at C. Okay, and I'm going to draw straight from A to, was it G? Yeah. And there we go. I bisected that angle as well. All right, you are going to fold this in half and glue it on page 9. I'm going to actually fold it the other way this time, and I'll show you why. And on the outside, I'm going to write angle constructions. Again, you make it as pretty as you want. It's your notebook. What I meant by I'm going to fold it the other way is, since it's going to be in the right side of my notebook, I want to be able to open it this way, because it's going to be here. So see, I could open them both at the same time without them getting in each other's way. Okay. Page 9. Now, you don't have to do that. That's just something I sometimes like to do if I don't have anything on the front. And sometimes I have something on the front, so you just decide what you need to do. Okay, there we go. Alright, you need to finish that quizzes homework. It's called quizzes, but it is not a quiz grade. It is still a homework grade, okay? And tomorrow we're going to talk about midpoint. So finish that quizzes. If you have extra time at the end of class, work on your problem set that's due, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.